One of the new features we've introduced in MODO 14.0 v1 is the ability to scale material groups, a method of scaling all layers inside a material group relative to each other, so no longer will you need to manually change the scaling of individual material layers. To scale a material group, simply select it in the shader tree and then find the scale value under the Scale subheading in the Properties panel. As you can see, we have separated different material settings out for further scaling control. Any enabled settings will have their scale value changed by the percentage you set. You'll also find a new toggle option in the Properties of Texture Material Layers to ignore the group scale. When enabled, texture items will ignore the scale setting and display in their original scaling instead.